Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If GameBar is not working on your computer, then watch this video for the solutions. Now the first thing I need to make sure is to check whether GameBar is enabled in the settings. So go to the settings app and then click on gaming. Open the GameBar and make sure that this option is enabled. Allow your controller to open GameBar, and once it is open, you can open GameBar by looking for GameBar in the search options. And then if it doesn't open, then you can go to app settings, or you can also look for apps, installed apps in the settings tab, system components, and then you can repair. Once you get the check mark, then you have to reset it. And once you get the check mark, you should check if GameBar is working. If it's not, then the only solution is to edit it in the registry and to run the SFC scan. So we will go to the registry, and you will find this path, registry path, in the description of this video. So just copy this path, and then we will look for registry editor, click on run as administrator, and then we will copy this path here, press enter, and we will see the folders that got opened. So HKey current user, software, Microsoft, and then in Microsoft we opened the Windows folder. In the Windows folder, current version, and then we came to the GameDVR folder. We click on it, and then we need to look if we have the DWORD 32-bit, which is AppCatureEnabled. If it's not there, then we will create this DWORD 32-bit. For that, we need to copy this. You will find this app in the description of the video. Right click, click on new, and then click on DWORD 32-bit value and paste the name here, AppCatureEnabled. Then right click on it, click on modify, and set this value to 1. Click on OK, and then we'll run the SFC scan. So right click on it, click on run as administrator, and then enter the command sfc /scannow and press enter. Once the scan finishes running, then click on the start button, click on the power button, click on restart, and GameBar should be working fine. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.